Struggling with stubborn acne that always seems to pop up at the worst moments? Acne patches are game changers. These tiny wonders can speed up healing, protect blemishes, and minimize scars. But with so many options out there, which ones truly work? In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 acne patches that deliver fast and effective results. From unique ingredients to durability, we've got everything you need to find your perfect match. Let's get started. In the second spot, we have Peace Out Acne Dots. Take acne patch technology to the next level by combining hydrocolloid with active ingredients like salicylic acid. These dermatologist-approved patches not only draw out impurities but also treat the pimple at its core. Key features: Peace Out Acne Dots feature hydrocolloid infused with salicylic acid to exfoliate, vitamin A to reduce inflammation, and aloe vera to soothe the skin. The breathable patches are designed for targeted treatment and come in a variety of sizes for different blemishes. Benefits and usage: these patches treat pimples while preventing them from worsening. Apply the patch to clean, dry skin and leave it on for at least 6 hours. The active ingredients work together to shrink the blemish while reducing redness and swelling. Usability: Peace Out Acne Dots are easy to apply and remove without causing irritation. The combination of treatment and protection makes them suitable for use both day and night. Their slightly thicker design ensures a secure grip on the skin. Durability: these patches are durable enough to stay in place, even on areas prone to movement like the chin or jawline. The packaging is compact and travel-friendly, making them a reliable on-the-go solution. Coming in at number 3 is the Mighty Patch. The Mighty Patch Original by Cosrx is another standout in the acne patch world. Designed to target whiteheads, these patches are made with high-quality hydrocolloid to absorb impurities and promote faster healing. Key features: Mighty Patch Original boasts ultra-thin hydrocolloid technology, ensuring maximum effectiveness. It's free from artificial additives and harsh chemicals, making it ideal for all skin types. Available in 36-count packs, the patches are easy to store and use whenever needed. Benefits and usage: the patch works by drawing out pus and oil from whiteheads while creating a protective barrier to prevent further irritation. To use, clean and dry the affected area before applying the patch. Leave it on for several hours, preferably overnight, and remove when it turns opaque. Usability: with its lightweight and discreet design, Mighty Patch Original is perfect for daytime use or overnight treatments. It adheres securely to the skin without causing discomfort or leaving residue. Durability: these patches are reliable and stay put through sleep or daily activities. The resealable packaging ensures they remain hygienic and ready to use at any time. Taking our 4th spot is Avarelle. Avarelle Acne Cover Patch offers a natural, budget-friendly solution for tackling breakouts. Infused with soothing and healing ingredients, these patches are designed to calm irritated skin while protecting blemishes. Key features: Avarelle's patches are made with hydrocolloid and infused with tea tree oil, calendula, and Cica, Centella asiatica. They are hypoallergenic, cruelty-free, and free from parabens, making them safe for sensitive skin. The patches come in multiple sizes to suit different blemishes. Benefits and usage: the blend of hydrocolloid and natural ingredients helps to speed up the healing process while reducing redness and swelling. To use, clean and dry the area, then apply the patch. Leave it on for up to 12 hours for optimal results. Usability: Avarelle patches are thin, transparent, and easy to apply, adhering well to the skin. Their gentle formula makes them suitable for all-day wear without causing irritation or discomfort. Durability: the patches are highly durable, staying in place even on oily skin. Their portable packaging makes them a convenient addition to any skincare routine, whether at home or on the go. And finally, at number 5, we have Rael. Rael Miracle Patch offers a clean and effective solution for managing acne. Designed with high-grade hydrocolloid, these patches focus on drawing out impurities while minimizing skin damage. Key features: Rael Miracle Patch is made with medical-grade, vegan-friendly hydrocolloid. The patches are non-toxic, cruelty-free, and free from harsh chemicals. Available in multiple sizes, they are suitable for treating everything from small whiteheads to larger blemishes. Benefits and usage: these patches work by absorbing impurities and flattening pimples without drying out the skin. Clean and dry the affected area before applying a patch. Leave it on for 4 to 8 hours, or until it turns white, to ensure maximum efficacy. Usability: Rael Miracle Patch is ultra-thin and adheres seamlessly to the skin, making it ideal for discreet daytime use. The patches are gentle enough for sensitive skin, ensuring comfort and effectiveness. Durability: these patches are highly durable, staying put even in humid or oily conditions. The resealable pouch ensures they remain fresh and ready to use whenever a breakout strikes. Dealing with acne doesn't have to be a battle. These top 5 acne patches, Hero, Peace Out, Mighty Patch, Avarelle, and Rael, offer simple and effective solutions for clearer, healthier skin. By targeting breakouts directly and speeding up healing, they make managing acne easier than ever. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more skincare tips and product reviews.